So my name is Ellie Weinbel. I'm a fourth-year industrial and systems engineering major. So nobody in my family is an engineer. My mom, my stepdad are artists actually, and then my dad, his degree's in psychology and telecommunications. So I feel like I'm kind of out there in terms of what I picked for my profession. I was always really interested in problem solving and how stuff worked, and I knew that I wanted to do something that would make an impact on people, but not me directly working with them. And I didn't want to go to medical school because I'm very squeamish, so I would not enjoy that. And I was always very strong in problem solving, and I really enjoyed statistics and mathematics, and that's what a lot of industrial engineering is based off of. And the motto of industrial engineering is we don't make things, but we make things better. And that just seemed like a perfect fit for me. And also, industrial engineering incorporates people into the equation, which is often lost in a lot of other science majors. It's all about the machines and the sciences and the technology, but ISC really considers the people in the problem, and that's why I really enjoy it. So I think one cool thing that I've gotten to do is I've really enjoyed my internships with Procter & Gamble, and this sounds really weird, but I got to engineer how tampons are made, which a lot of people don't really think about. You see consumer goods on the shelf and you buy it and it goes to your home and that's the end of the story. But it's really cool to see something come from nothing and then make it built into something meaningful, and then see how it impacts and improves people's lives. I think the big thing is to keep an open mind, because I wasn't immediately drawn to science or STEM or anything like that, but it's amazing how much that it affects our everyday lives. And I was always going to art camps or music camps, and all of that boils down to some sort of mathematical formula, or just even the fastest route to get from point A to point B. That's engineering. So really just keep an open mind, because you really don't know what your options are until you sit down and find out what you're really passionate about and go towards it. Also, I think get involved early. I think that's one thing I regret, was that I didn't really figure out that I was passionate about engineering or mathematics or science or technology until my senior year of high school. If I would have known that earlier, I maybe would have taken programming when I was in middle school. My little cousin, he's in a pre-engineering middle school program, which is crazy. So he's always doing 3D printing competitions and coding and all that kind of stuff. And I'm I wish I did that when I was 11 so I could figure it out. So
right.
I think it's just get involved early and don't be afraid to go for something, because you never know where it's going to lead.